Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to another vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you're up to date whenever I have new content up. As usual, I started in my niece's room because you know the deal that's happening this summer. Sorry I couldn't put up a vlog for you guys last week. There was really nothing to film, but I am happy that I was able to get a faith video out to you guys. Actually, I just got filming that. That's why you can still see me dressed in the same way as I was in that video. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing this. Today I'm filming this video on a Tuesday, and I'm starting it because the yard sale that was supposed to happen 2 weeks ago is happening this weekend. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Also took a trip to at-home stores. Didn't purchase anything. We just went to look around. We might be going back at a future time to pick up just some decor pieces for the apartment that we are trying to get. I'm excited about that because I think my mom is charging me with the responsibility to I can't talk today. To decorate. Oh my god, what? I'm trying to say decor. To decorate for her. So I'm excited about showing you how I'm able to organize a space that is a blank canvas, working with that space. So, just trying to, I guess, build a portfolio, if you will, because this is something that I'm interested in. I like it. I'm passionate about it. And I'm excited to see what I come up with. Anything else that I get up to in the course of this vlog, you will definitely see. But in the meantime, enjoy this video. So I just thought I'd talk to you guys again briefly before we go into the next clip. Today is Monday the 3rd of July, so 4th of July tomorrow, and this is obviously 4th of July weekend. I've been in this country for a couple of years now and have actually never been to a 4th of July celebration. If you American or live in America, they make a really big deal about it. There's always lights and fireworks and things that go on in different parts of the city. So I will be going to one of those firework displays later this evening with the family. We'll leave the house about 7, I believe. I've already picked out my outfit. I will show that to you, I think, at some point, or maybe I should show it to you before, because I don't know if I will be able to get a clip, but I'll take you guys along. I also want to just apologize about the very short clip that I showed you guys from the yard sale this past weekend. I actually forgot, for all of my talking and saying that I would share the yard sale with you guys. I completely forgot until it was almost like 2 hours before we were going to, wrap the whole thing up. But the little clips I showed you, please manage them. We did sell a good bunch. I only had clothes and some makeup and accessories to sell, and I made a little bit of change, but I'm happy about that. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog so far. I think I will end the vlog at the fireworks, so that will be the last clip that you see. But like the video, please subscribe and share it, and I will see you guys in my next video.